Would you like to see how to revamp this rag wreath to use as part of your spring decor? Well, if so, stay tuned. Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take a plain rag wreath like this one and revamp it so that it fits in with your seasonal decor. Now, if you've been watching my channel for a while, you saw me put some items on this for the Christmas holiday season, and I took them off afterwards and made my wreath more plain for the New Year time. But now I'm going to add a few embellishments to it so that it will fit in with my springtime decor. And I would like this to reflect St. Patrick's Day, which is coming up initially, so that's what I'm going to do. If you'd like to see that, stay tuned. So to revamp my rag wreath, all I'm going to do is clip some of these sprigs of clover off of or shamrock I should call them, off of the garland that I bought at the Target dollar spot. And I do have some green pipe cleaners here. I think I'm going to be able to just clip off these sprigs because if you pull them out from the floral tape here, they actually go on for quite a while. So I think I can just take the ends of this, stick them through the wreath form, and wrap them around to hold them in place. But if that doesn't work, then I may try using the pipe cleaners. So let's get going on that. So initially I thought that I was going to have to snip off the pieces of shamrock from the garland, but as I started working with it, as I pulled the pieces out, I was able to just slide them out of the floral tape that was attached to the main wire. And I noticed that one or two of them had some actual shamrock pieces missing, but that was okay because I only needed 6. Once I was done pulling all the pieces off of the garland, I started attaching them to the wreath form. Now this would have been easier if I had had some needle nose pliers. I was trying to do it with just my fingers, but I attached them at the crossbar areas of the wreath, which were marked by the burlap pieces of rag. Okay, well, so obviously I'm showing you this on a different day. I didn't get to actually make the wreath over on the day I started the intro, but anyway, here it is. I'm loving how it looks. Well, what do you think? I am really liking how versatile this wreath is, and I'm really happy I put these little burlap pieces on the crossbars because that way they act as a backdrop for any seasonal pieces that I want to put into the wreath. And this is just subtle enough for me. It doesn't look too cutesy, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. So let me know in the comments down below if you like it, because I know I do. That's, I guess, all that really matters since it's in my home, but I hope you like it. And that's it. And also let me know if you think you'll try it, if you have a rag wreath of your own or a more neutral wreath like this that you decorate over seasonally. Thanks again for watching, and once again, if you're new to my channel, I do post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. So I hope you'll consider subscribing by clicking on the subscribe button in the description box below or the icon in the corner of this video. I look forward to seeing all of you next time. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.